Good morning, students of class 3. We have come back to our social study class. We have already completed our syllabus for the first term and we have started revision. We have done chapter 6 last day. Today I am going to revise chapter 8. Be safe, be happy. Yes, the chapter begins with a question. You have to give answer in yes or no. Play in safe places such as park or a playground. Yes. Always walk on the footpath or on the safe side of the road. Yes. Disturb your pet. No. Leave your toys on the floor. No. Accept office from people you do not know. No. Accidents happen when suddenly people get hurt or in accidents. Accidents happen suddenly. People get hurt in accidents. Sometimes accidents can put lives in danger. We can avoid accidents if we are careful and follow safety rules. So being safe at home. We have to learn safety rules properly. When you are in the home, you have to be careful and be safe. Put your toys away after you have played with them. Never climbed on shelves or windowsills, as you may fall and get hurt. Never lean over a balcony railings. You may trip and fall. Stay away from fire and hot objects. Do not touch hot pans and boiling water. Do not play with matchsticks and burning candles. You may get a burn. Inform an adult if you smell something burning. Never play with sharp objects like knives, scissors, blades. They may give you a cut. Do not touch electrical gadgets and switches with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. Stay away from irons, toasters, ovens, and other electrical appliances when in use. Never touch mobile phones, laptops, tablets, and computers when they are being charged. Surf the internet only in presence of your parents. Never give out your personal information to strangers. Most cleaning products such as floor and toilet cleaners have harmful chemicals in them. Do not touch them. Take medicines only after asking your parents. Let an adult answer the doorbell. Do not rush to open the door because there might be stranger at the door and some stranger may harm you. Being safe in school. Walk slowly in corridors. Never run on the stairs. Never stand or jump on desks. Always use a sharpener for sharpening pencils. Inform your teacher if you spill water in the classroom. Inform your teacher if you feel sick. So you already learned these things. So you have to follow these properly. Being safe in playground. When you are playing in the playground, you have to be careful enough. You have to follow the rules of the games. And when you have seen broken swings or slides, do not play on them. Inform an adults about these things. Wait for your turn at the swing, slides, and seesaws. Do not stand in front or back of the moving swings that you may get hit by them. Do not talk to strangers. Do not accept anything from the strangers. Safe on the road. Never go alone on the road. Always go with an adult. Walk on the footpath or safe side of the road. Use overbridge or subways to get the other side of the road. Okay. Before crossing the road, look both sides properly, then cross the road. Never play or ride your bicycle on the road. Wait for your turn and do not get into or get off from the moving bus. Do not put your head or arms out of the moving vehicles. Remember to wear seat belts when traveling in car. This prevents you from getting hurt when the car stops suddenly. Wear a helmet while traveling by two-wheelers. Yes, it is very important to know. In 1914, the modern traffic light was invented in United States of America. It had two colors, red and green. Instead of the yellow light, there was a buzzer to let people know the light was about to change. Okay, it's very important thing to know this. Yes. Here are some road signs. You have to learn the meaning of the road signs. Okay, and till now I didn't give you any project work. I think today I may send the project work to you, and I'll give the time and date properly, and that time you have to send me back your project through my personal WhatsApp. Okay, this week I will send you the project work. Okay, and you will get 15 days time. You can complete the work properly, and it is my request you make the project colorful. Okay, it's road signs. Here are some pictures of road signs: pedestrian crossing, no parking, no entry, horn prohibited, school ahead. So you can see some common road signs. Yes. Stay away from hot objects. I can do it. Yes. Open page 54. I can do it. Solve this. Stay away from hot objects. True or false? True. Never run in a park or corridor. Wait for your turn at swing and slides. Remember to wear the seat belts when traveling in a car. Road signs are for your safety. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Emergency. An emergency is an unexpected situation that demands immediate action. What is an emergency? An emergency is an unexpected situation that demands immediate action. A breakout of fire, an earthquake, flood, or robbery, a sudden illness or injury are examples of some emergencies. Our country has an emergency helpline number for immediate help. It is 112. There are also separate emergency numbers to call the fire brigade, the police, and the ambulance. Remember, we must never call up emergency number for fun or as a prank. Fire brigade 101, police 100, ambulance 102. Okay, what is first aid? After an accident, the first help that an injured person receives is called first aid. After an accident, the first help that an injured person receives is called first aid. For example, if one of your friends get hurt, you need to give the first aid before a doctor can see him or her. Okay. In case of minor burn, put burn area under cool water for 5 minutes. Pat it gently. Apply an ointment for burns. In case of minor cut or wounds, wash the wounds with water. Put it dry. Then apply an antiseptic lotion. Cover the wound with a clean bandage. Okay. In case of bruise, put some Put some ice cubes in a clean cloth to make an ice pack. Apply it on the bruise. Good touch or bad touch? Yes, I think you have learned this. A good touch that makes you feel nice, comfortable and safe is called a good touch. And sometimes a touch can also make you feel uncomfortable, afraid or unsafe. Such a touch is called bad touch. Yes. We should touch toilet cleaner. We should not touch toilet cleaners. And why? We should not touch toilet cleaners because it contains harmful chemicals. Why should we let an adult answer the doorbell? We should let an adult answer the door because there might be a stranger at the door. Some strangers may be harmful to us. Write 3 safety rules you must follow in the playground. Do not talk to stranger or accept anything from unknown person. Wait for turn at the swings, slides and seesaw. Always follow the rules of the games. What is an emergency? An emergency is defined as an unexpected situation that demands immediate action. Flood, robbery, sudden injury are some example of emergencies. What is first aid? After an accident, the first help the person receives is called first aid. Write 3 road safety rules. Walk on the footpath or the safe side of the road. Wear a helmet while traveling by 2-wheelers. Never play on or ride bicycle on the road. Okay. Thank you for today.